Could deep sea mining ever be green? 15% of the world's ocean floor is covered in polymetallic nodules, which contain valuable minerals like manganese, copper, nickel, and cobalt, which are in extremely high demand for batteries and wiring as solar power and electric vehicles take off. But it's an extremely controversial idea that hasn't yet happened in practice. Now, what you might not know about deep sea mining is that after you gather the polymetallic nodules, there's still the process of smelting them down to take those valuable metals out of them. And that can be very polluting for the environment. The companies that want to do deep sea mining are planning to do that process with fossil fuels, and that could release up to 5 kilograms of CO2 per 1 kilogram of valuable metals. But now scientists have developed a process they say can do that smelting with 0 CO2 emissions and 0 pollution. What they did was put hydrogen gas into an electric arc furnace, and then high-powered electrons flowing from the electrode to the nodules knocked protons off that hydrogen, forming a plasma at temperatures of 1,700 degrees Celsius and above. The protons in that plasma react with the oxides in the nodules to strip them away, leaving the metals, pure water, and different forms of manganese dust that can also be used in industrial processes. Now, the scientists who developed this process go way out of their way to say that they're not saying anything about the ecological impacts of deep sea mining. This is one of the last pristine ecosystems on Earth, and these nodules are home to creatures like microbes, corals, sponges, and brittle stars. There was even research recently that found that the nodules produce oxygen. Researchers think that this is saltwater electrolysis. Essentially, these polymetallic nodules are like batteries that are breaking down water into hydrogen and oxygen. All the same, deep sea mining seems to be moving forward. Right now, China controls a lot of these critical metals, and lots of countries don't like that, including the United States and Norway, which have expressed interest in deep sea mining. The United Nations has not yet developed rules for how deep sea mining should be done, but that hasn't stopped a Canadian company from applying to the Trump administration for a deep sea mining permit. So these scientists are arguing if deep sea mining is going to go ahead anyway, it might as well be done as green as possible.